Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Like most mini things, these little loaves are cute. But they're not just about looks. They're delicious, moist, not too sweet. Each loaf is loaded with overripe bananas and milk chocolate chips. Grease and 8 loaf tin. I'm giving mine a quick spray. A regular 12-hole muffin tin works just as well. Cut some non-stick baking paper to fit. Let's cover the tin on its long side. Make sure the paper overhangs, just lightly, so we can use it to lift the loaves from the tin. I'm spraying more oil, just in case. I don't want them to stick. I've got some unsalted butter, which I've melted by using the microwave over low heat. Now for the dry ingredients. 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. The chocolate chips bring plenty of sweetness, so we'll just use 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Careful here, it's not the same as baking powder. A little salt is good to balance the sweetness. In goes half a teaspoon. Whisk well to separate the ingredients. We don't want any baking soda lumps as they taste terrible. Let's move on to the banana. We need 4 small overripe ones, or 350 grams weighed without the peels. You can grab a potato, or like me, use a wooden spoon and fork to mash. Keep going until creamy with only little lumps remaining. This looks about right. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. 2 large eggs. Lightly beat, just until combined. For a subtle tang, I'm adding half a cup of sour cream. This will also help make the banana bread moist. Break it up and whisk it with the eggs. It'll look clumpy at first, just keep whisking. Once the mixture is smooth, whisk in the melted butter that we prepared earlier. Two tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then, add the mashed bananas. Looking really good. Let's grab the dry ingredients. Make a well in the middle of the flour mixture. Then, pour in the wet ingredients. Fold the ingredients together just until combined. Keep folding. There should be no pockets of dry flour remaining. We need to be careful not to overmix. This may make the loaves dense. The exciting part, 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to set some aside for topping. Fold the chocolate into the batter, just until it's evenly distributed. Scoop the batter in the prepared tin. Don't let the mini fool you. These little loaves have some serious heft. 1 is plenty to share between 2. This is optional. I've sliced some banana to place on top. Place the chocolate and banana slices in any way you like. Bake them at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Then just kick back and relax, like you've landed on your own private island, thanks to your very own private jet. Use a skewer to check if it's baked through. It should come out clean. No gooey batter, that is. Not melted chocolate. Leave to cool in the tin for about 15 minutes. Then transfer to a cooling rack. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day.